This is the new R360 standalone Android smartwatch with a really interesting 1.6-inch diameter screen with edge-to-edge coverage and a special bezel that gives the illusion of wraparound, where it's actually spilling over. It does all your typical Android functions. All of the different widgets are in here. You have notifications, your stock apps, your fitness section, and down below you've got your daily step information, including calories burned, distance traveled, steps walked, and an overall monthly summary. It's using a really interesting combo band that looks and is leather on the outside, and when you flip it over, it's TPU water capable, so you can sweat on it and not ruin your leather. It's got your heart rate sensor, SIM card, one button, camera, everything you need. It's the R360 1.6-inch diameter beyond the edge screen display smartwatch. Check it out.